Oops. Little muddy.
We'll bring some mud back there.
Yep. Doo-doo. Nice spot for a little jump in a cool mountain stream. Coming straight up these little drainage spouts that are kind of wet and muddy, rocky, lots of tree roots. That's what makes it the Adirondacks, right? Whew. It's August 15th. And I'm not sure what the temperature today is. I think the high was around 70, 71. It's really nice. Our plan is to hike up Tabletop today, come down, hike over to Arnold Lake, camp around there, right past Indian Falls, then go up Colden tomorrow and down to Avalanche Lake. Nice. Oh yeah. How is it up there?
That's nice.
That's nice, little muddy. We're on the section that is unmaintained. So the trail is purposefully blah. The trail is purposefully left natural without any trail work and no signs. But the herd path is pretty clear, so it's not like you're really gonna get lost or anything. Whew. But it does take a little bit to get up here. On the way to Tabletop. Oh yeah, it's pretty. It'll be interesting coming back down this. I know that. Whew. Yeah. This is Indian Falls. All right. We're on the last bit of stretch to camp at Lake Arnold. And we've got a little bit of rocky, muddy uphill going on. That's okay, it's been a good day. And no rain, it hasn't rained yet. We had a chance of showers around 4. And, oh, it's 4 right now. So, I think we're about a quarter-mile from camp, so not very far. Okay, good morning. Lots of mud to get out of this campsite. I hope I don't fall in it all. It's so bad. Ugh. That's not good. Whoa. Whoa. Gotta embrace the mud, but this is over the top. Okay, we can do this. Can I do this? Not yet. I'm coming. Okay. Balance beam. Balance beam. Whew. Yeah. Ugh. Oh yeah. Whoop. There we go. Okay. We are out of the mud and climbing up Mt Colden. Whew. This is a bit of a rock scramble. Not too bad, but whew. Fun. Not bad. Yeah. Go, girl. Nice. Nice. Love a good boardwalk. So that's Mt Colden. We gotta go across and up that, and then down the other side. Here's the McIntyre Range into the col between the false peak and the peak. Oh, we've got some ladders going back up. Get up Mt Colden. Some of these steps were definitely made by men. These are good. Whew. Yeah. Some of these are kind of slick. Whew. Whew. Yeah, mama. We got it. All right. We are at the top of Mt Colden. Look at Eric go. Whoo, yeah. Oh, there's where we just were, I guess. don't know if you can see down here very well, but lots of stairs. Look at all those. Look at all those stairs. Look at this. This is spectacular.
I guess that's Colden right there.
Yeah.
You got a picture of that?
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. So impressive.
Whoa!
You made that look easy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's very cool. Ooh. It's like a little inverted V. This is what she does when she has short legs. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. All right. Bolted into the side of this mountain cliff. Just cliffs on both sides. Oh, yeah. Big step up.
Make a ladder song.
Okay, yeah.
You're walking and you find a ladder. What you gonna do? Walk down the ladder. Tell you what to do when you find a ladder. Gonna walk down it slow.
I like that.
Were you ever a youth minister by any chance?
You know, I think in one of the other universes close to this one, I am.
Yeah.
Whew. We are on long trail out. Then it's back to the car and then to Stewart's for a celebratory milkshake. I'm ready. Okay, back at Marcy Dam.